Uh, hashtag problem number 9. Coffee station hashtags amazings. And offices hashtag places where people do work often just ask users to leave money, aka hashtag De Niro, hashtag greenbacks, hashtag dead presidents, in a trade to pay for their coffee. But many people cheat. Hashtag liars. Researchers at Newcastle University alternately taped 2 posters of a coffee station. During one week, it was a picture of flowers, hashtag, oh, that's nice. During the other, it was a pair of staring eyes, hashtag creepy. They found that the average contribution was significantly higher when the eyes poster was up than when the flowers were, or when the flowers were there. Apparently, the mere feeling of being watched, hashtag stalker, even by eyes that were not real, was enough to encourage people to behave more honestly. So again, in this one, we have to figure out the who. So what? Who is the who, you guys? What do you guys think? Huh?
The food users, the coffee station users.
Yeah. So you guys said people. I'm gonna say people who buy coffee.
It's not even
Hashtag be specific.
hashtag we don't have to.
Hashtag be quiet. I'm recording. What is the what?
The 2 alternating posters.
And like the money that was given.
The shooting rate.
It's actually the amount of money. Amount of money, hashtag Skrilla. The amount of money. And now, one thing that I've been kind of glossing over is the population of interest. So all of these problems we've had to discuss the population of interest. So what is the population of interest in this particular scenario?
Oh, wouldn't it just be the who? The people by talking?
Well, so we almost got it. This was a lot to read at first, but let's reread it again because you got to do this in upper level math. You got to read the problem 2 or 3 times to really kind of understand it. So the coffee stations and the offices often just ask users to leave money. So there's, in other words, like they don't do it here, but I did work I think at Adams. They had like a little coffee can, and if you helped yourself to a cup of coffee, you would donate money to buy the coffee and the supplies, right? So that's what they're talking about. But they say many people cheat. So there are some people that will come in. I remember one guy, I can't remember his name, but at Adams, he would literally put a quarter in every time he had a cup of coffee. That was just kind of okay, I guess. But there was one person that would put like 3 or 4 pennies in. And I remember the teachers had beef because he was like, that guy came in here and put 6 pennies in there or something. And I was like, maybe he'll put in more later. So what this is really measuring is honesty and integrity, right? So when we talk about the population of interest, and so what they're saying is that when the poster had eyes, people felt like they were being watched, so they were more likely to put money in the till. Does that make sense? And if there were just flowers there, they were like, I'm going to take this coffee, right? So if we talk about the population of interest, what they're really interested in is what? Honest people. People who honor the system. Does that make sense? Hashtag.